send off an accomplished son of this county. Dickens was a gentleman par excellence. For the time I knew him, he came out as a forthright person. As we send off Dickens, the country is undergoing what I would call terrible stress because of the mismanagement of the economy and the historical poor governance that has come to be associated with the Kenya Kwanza regime. You know, Jim, as we speak, all possible institutions of democracy have been captured by this Ruto regime. Starting with Parliament, where I sit, you know, the judiciary is on its deathbed. The last line of defense, which is the media, is also under serious threat as we speak. Serious threat. And I heard the KUJ Secretary General speak a while back. The media must stand firm to defend their space. If only to defend these poor fellas, the common person. Can you imagine that as we speak, even media advertisement in the media is now being used as a political tool to kill those media houses that have failed to toe the line. There is this animal called the government advertising agency. First and foremost, it's owing the media houses close to 2 billion Kenyan shillings. They are starving the media of money that they need to use to develop themselves and also employ workers and pay them handsomely. But more importantly, this government advertising agency, through the PS for broadcasting, whoever it is, has now resorted to monopoly. That all government advertising now is being channeled through one media house. I'm told it's called Convergence something, formerly Radio Africa, incidentally where Dickens was working. I have no issue with that company, but we cannot allow monopolistic tendencies to be entrenched in this country. And we can't allow public funds to be used to promote one media house at the expense of the other media houses. As we speak, a number of media houses have already given notice for redundancies. In other words, our sons and daughters who are working in the media are soon going to be jobless. And yet the government, which is supposed to protect them, have stand against them. So we can't allow that. Finally, you know, James Boborang is doing a wonderful job here, together with his executive and the MCS. But they need more resources. They need more resources from the national government. The national government has continued to cling on to monies that should have come down here to help our people. I understand there is now a stalemate over the revenue allocation or division. My position, my view is that the Commission for Revenue Allocation has also been captured. And Jim said yesterday in Ugunya, no wonder they brought in some woman, Chebukati's wife. Can you imagine? That Wafula Chebukati's wife is the chairperson of the Commission for Revenue Allocation. The same way they use her husband to kill democracy is the way they want to use her to starve our counties of money. The CRA has now lost meaning. Completely. And I want the Council of Governors, finally, I want the Council of Governors under Governor Anwar Iguru to stop going to bed with the executive. Wache usherati. Wache kwenda kufanya nini? Kuandamana na serikali ya Ruto. Wache hiyo tabia mbaya. I want the Council of Governors to remain firm and fight for the interest of the counties. That is why they are there. They can